What's up? This is Boots from Cyborg Team. Today we got the Surmen GT61 mechanical keyboard. 60% body on this, hot swappable switches, Bluetooth wireless, and this one has gateron yellow switches. So let's check this out. See what we got. Got a nice braided USB-C to USB-A cable. Got a plastic switch puller or a keycap puller. And here you have your switch puller, extra keycaps, instruction manual, and the keyboard itself. This is the sun color scheme. Got your red sun there. Special keycaps for your enter key and your escape key. The rest is white and red. At the bottom, nothing really special. It just has your Surmen down there and turn your wireless on and off, and 4 rubber stoppers. Medium to lightweight. Nothing too crazy here. The keycaps feel nice and textured. There you are, your gateron yellow. And you got your 3-pin hot swap gateron yellow switches in here. It has all the stuff that you would think it has. End key rollover, anti-ghosting, programmable keys, RGB backlighting. We'll check that out in a second. And I got this on Amazon. It got to me shipped in 1 day for about 70 bucks. All right, let's plug it in and see what we got. And the USB-C cable is, well, it's in the center, but it's off to the right a little bit. All right, we'll go through the lighting effects here real quick. So you want to hit function and backslash. RGB is nice, smooth, and fluid. So far, so good for the little Surmen GT61. Let's do a typing test. So we got buttery smooth typing. It feels like the stabilizers are lubed. I'm not hearing any pinging or anything. It's like a nice solid sounding pre-built keyboard with some decent keycaps. Like I said, they are PBT. They feel good. They sound good. Gateron yellows. This is the first time I'm using these. Switches are pretty smooth. Overall, great experience. You are able to pair this keyboard to 3 different Bluetooth sources or devices. Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and Bluetooth 3. So we're going to connect this to Bluetooth 1. So I'm going to hold function and E until I see something happen here. See, it's flashing. So now it's able to connect to my PC. Okay, and we're connected. And it just comes up simply Bluetooth 5.0 keyboard. Let's do another typing test. Make sure we don't have any kind of latency issues. Okay, ran a couple different tests there. It is pretty solid so far. I'm gonna have to run this in some games to make sure that this is the real deal. For 70 bucks, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. But if you have any other questions about it, hit me up in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. It really helps the channel out. I'm Boots, and this is Cyborg Team, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, peace.